Artificial intelligence is evolving at a very rapid pace. What experts predict would happen in years is happening in just months. ChatGPT, the first mainstream AI chatbot, can now see, speak, and hear like a human. This new ability comes as a result of an upgrade to a new vision model that allows the AI to interact with voice and images. Previously, the AI could only understand and process text, but now you can interact with it the same way you'd interact with a person. Honestly, I wasn't expecting this kind of upgrade this early, but it just goes on to prove that AI is the most powerful technology mankind has ever created. Now that ChatGPT has all these abilities, what is OpenAI's next move? Well, that's what we're going to look at in a moment, and I'll also explain how these features work and how they'll impact the AI landscape. Before we dive into the details, hello and welcome to the AI Trend, your go-to destination for all things AI. We are dedicated to bringing you the latest developments, breakthroughs, and releases in artificial intelligence technology. Without wasting too much time, let's get started. ChatGPT has become incredibly smarter and more creative thanks to its new update. OpenAI added 2 new features to the chatbot that make it more interactive and versatile. These features are voice interaction and image interaction. But how do they work? Well, let me break it down for you. With these new features, ChatGPT can now speak and hear you just like having a regular conversation. Instead of having to type your message, you can use your voice to tell it what you want and then listen to its responses. This sounds like something from a sci-fi movie, but it's now a reality. Now, you might be wondering, how did OpenAI make this happen? Well, they used a powerful new text-to-speech model that they developed in collaboration with professional voice actors. This model uses deep neural networks to turn text into incredibly human-like speech. It can also change the tone, pitch, speed, and emotion of the speech, making it sound very natural. But that's not all. The AI can understand and respond in various accents, languages, and dialects, allowing users to have a conversation with ChatGPT in any language of their choice. The next thing I want us to talk about is the image interaction feature. This allows ChatGPT to see and analyze images that you show it. This means that users can now share pictures with ChatGPT, ask questions about them, and even learn something new about the pictures. You can even ask the AI to generate images based on the text you input or make changes to the images you upload. OpenAI introduced a new vision model called GPT Vision, also known as GPT-V. This model is a variation of GPT-3, but it is trained using a large collection of images and their corresponding text from the internet. This training method allows the model to understand what is in an image and produce appropriate descriptions or titles for the image. The model is also skilled in different image examinations like identifying objects, facial recognition, distinguishing different parts of a scene, and so much more. In addition to that, GPT-V is not paired with OpenAI's advanced image generator DALL-E 3. This allows ChatGPT to generate images from text descriptions given by users. So, you can ask ChatGPT to generate an image of anything you can think of, and it will do that for you. You can even ask it to edit pictures you already have, like changing the background or adding effects. The incorporation of sensory abilities into ChatGPT represents more than just a mere incremental advancement, but a revolutionary shift that challenges our understanding of what artificial intelligence chatbots can achieve. However, as we adapt to these new features, we must consider not just the immediate benefits, but also the long-term impact of this technology on society and human-AI interaction. One of such implications is on business. This new technology can be used to make customer service bots more intuitive because they'll be able to understand not just text, but also voice tone and visual cues. This will lead to more personalized and effective customer interactions, making it easier for businesses to handle customer problems. Another promising aspect of ChatGPT's new features is the potential for increased accessibility. OpenAI, in collaboration with Be My Eyes, is trying to make artificial intelligence available to blind people. Imagine a world where ChatGPT can assist visually impaired people in navigating their daily lives, from reading posters and labels on streets to recognizing faces or even emotions. The impact of this technology could be enormous, offering a new level of independence to individuals who need it most. This new upgrade opens up a huge amount of opportunities for different industries. In the health industry, for instance, ChatGPT can be of assistance to not just blind people, but it can also be used to analyze images of scans and research documents, making it easier to identify certain illnesses. ChatGPT could also be integrated into educational tools that can interact with students in a more engaging manner. Now, the applications of this technology are limitless. However, there are several challenges we still need to overcome before it becomes safe. For instance, there is a need for more robust data security measures and ethical guidelines to ensure that our information is safe, and also to prevent the case of a possible AI uprising in the future. ChatGPT's new features promise a more interactive and enriching experience for users. The chatbot's ability to understand and respond to speech and image prompts adds a layer of depth to interactions, making it more than just a text-based chatbot. Personally, I didn't expect this kind of technology to be developed this soon, but I'm also very excited it did. As these features become more incorporated in our daily lives, the way we think and interact with artificial intelligence will undoubtedly evolve. So, what are OpenAI's plans for the future? Well, looking forward, it is clear that ChatGPT's sensory capabilities are just the beginning. OpenAI has already hinted at several other enhancements and broader access to these features. This technology is still in its early stage, so we can expect it to become more advanced and versatile as time goes on. From advanced diagnostic tools to real-time language translation, the possibilities are endless. Now, if you want to get your hands on these new features, there are two ways you can do it. One is free and the other is paid. For the free method, you can use Microsoft's Bing search engine, which essentially allows you to interact with ChatGPT by typing or speaking. You can also upload images to ChatGPT through Bing from your device. Now, if you want to use ChatGPT in its original format, you can sign up for ChatGPT Plus. It's way better than the free version, and it gives you answers faster. The subscription costs $20 each month, and it is accessible from any part of the world. ChatGPT is not the only AI receiving major upgrades. Other tech giants are also developing their own AI technologies to compete with OpenAI and ChatGPT. Take Amazon, for instance. Though the company has been involved in areas like cloud computing and machine learning for years, they're a bit late in joining the AI race. However, they're making a big move. Amazon is investing in Anthropic, the company behind Claude AI and one of OpenAI's biggest competitors. Initially, Amazon will invest $1.25 billion, but this might increase to $4 billion. In return, Anthropic will use Amazon's cloud services and AI chips for their projects. This deal, however, doesn't make Amazon a top player in AI like Microsoft and Google, but it does put them in a good spot in the AI race. What are your thoughts on ChatGPT's latest features? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. And also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell to stay up to date on the recent developments in the world of AI.